What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the amazing Stoney Clover makeup bag. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I have packed in mine and giving you a full review on this product. If you know me, you know I love to review various products from a very honest perspective. I always give my own true thoughts, not regurgitated thoughts out of someone else's head, but it's always my own true opinion. So let's get into it. So my boyfriend Nick bought me this beautiful bag for Christmas last year. I was very surprised. He did such a great job. He customized it with KG, the little margaritas or wine. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's a little cute cocktail. Perfect for me. My favorite color is purple. I was like literally obsessed whenever I saw this bag. It is so high quality. The material is so soft, so nice, beautiful material. I love how you can get like these little different patches sewn on and how customizable these products are. I think it's super fun. I love the bright pastel color palettes. I love how preppy this bag is, and I just think it's adorable. So for me, Stoney Clover Lane is like a 10 out of 10. I think it's definitely worth the money, the hype, and I think it's just adorable. So that's the tea on that. No bad reviews here. Now let's get into what I actually keep in this bag. Also, I will try to pop the name of the bag on the screen here. Since I didn't buy this myself, I'm not exactly sure what type of bag it is. But here's a close-up of it, and you can see it's a big bag. It fits a lot of things, and it probably could fit more than what I'm willing to put in here. But I am pretty careful with the bag because it is, you know, a nicer bag. I don't want to get my foundation or concealer all over it, so I don't put a lot of like messy makeup in it. It's more just something I use for travel, and I'm actually going on a trip this week, so I thought I would take you guys through some things that I packed for the trip. So the first product here is this little mini Nest fragrance, Seville Orange. I like to pack these little perfume samples whenever I go on trips. They're just so small and convenient to pack, and this smells really, really good. Next up, I have my jewelry packed within this Miranda Fry box here. I'm wearing a lot of my jewelry now, but whenever I go on the trip, I'll pack it all in this little box here. I have some sunscreen packed here, and for products that are messier, I will like wrap them up. Just in general, I'll do that in my suitcase too, but just this kind of ensures that no product is going to spill out onto my bag. Next up, I have a little case of Band-Aids because I am very prone to cutting myself shaving. We have some dry shampoo, very essential whenever you have oily hair. We have a hairbrush, a mini bottle of Cetaphil Daily Cleanser, toothbrush and toothpaste, a bottle of mini travel-sized mousse, hand sanitizer. I am loving these new Purell hand sanitizers with a little pump. These are so nice. This Ultra Repair by First Aid Beauty hydrating primer. Love this. Even though I have oily skin, I find that this really makes my foundation apply really smoothly and really evenly. So I've been a big fan of this product recently. I have two lipsticks, one by MAC and the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, some cotton pads, and of course my IT Cosmetics Confidence in an eye cream. So yeah, I could definitely fit more products in there, but like I said, I'm not into like dirtying the bag, so I pack pretty safe products. I will say you are supposed to be able to like wipe this off if you do get it dirty, and it does feel like it would wipe off pretty well. Fortunately, I haven't dirtied mine yet, but like I said, I do take pretty good care of it. But this is the bag in a nutshell and my thoughts on it. I love this bag. Definitely recommend Stoney Clover Lane if you get a chance to check them out in person, and they are online as well. But thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you be a part of my channel. Like I said, I love reviewing products as well as sharing my daily life and my travels with all of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.